This added material involves using an indicator or dummy variable as a predictor variable in a simple linear regression. An indicator variable is simply a 1 or 0 variable, kind of a yes or no variable, an on or off variable. An indicator variable can be used to describe many different situations. For example, an indicator variable could be 1 if a product is placed on the front shelf in a store, or 0 if placed on other than the front shelf of a store. In this example, we have data from 12 similar stores. The data involves weekly sales of a specific product and whether the product was placed on the back shelf in a store versus the front shelf of a store. The aisle location variable can be made into an indicator variable by coding front with a 1 and back with a 0. Here is the aisle location variable after that coding. I have moved to the next page. Here is a simple linear regression that uses aisle location to estimate weekly sales. Here are the model coefficients. These have been used to construct the simple linear regression equation written down below. There are two you-try questions on the next page. In the first you-try, you are asked to interpret the simple linear regression coefficients. In the second question, you are asked to determine whether the simple linear regression model is useful to predict sales. For this question, you are allowed to choose the significance level. I have moved to the next page where it can be observed that the simple linear regression model assumptions are satisfied. On the final 2 pages of the section, 3 indicator variables are used to describe the 4 quarters in the year. To become acquainted with this method that is used in time series analysis, you should try this U-try problem as well as the U-try problem that appears on the following page. This will complete this screencast.